Hello friends, welcome in my channel Color and Color. In the previous videos I colored the Princess Elsa, Princess Anna and Princess Snow White. Today I have a cute mermaid. I will do her makeover and color her dress. I start her makeup with peach color foundation on her face. The skin of her neck and arms is also peach. The lens of her eyes are blue. She has red lipstick. I applied the pink color blush on her cheeks. Red eyeshadow on her eyes. She has long, beautiful yellow hair. I colored the top of her dress with red color. I colored the fish-like part of her body with different colors. I started with pink color. Next, I'm gonna use orange color. In the next part, I will use yellow color. Now I'm using light green color. At the end, I will use red color. I colored the fishy tail with light and dark blue color. I color her seashell pouch with purple, orange and green color. The beads of her pouch and around her body all are red. added some shimmer on her body to give her more shiny look. Give a like and subscribe.